Welcome to Numbers from 0 to 20.
In this lesson, we will learn the Arabic numbers used to represent the Arabic numeral systems from 0 to 20. Let's start with from 0 to 10. صفر واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة عشرة. Now from 11 to 20. أحد عشر اثنا عشر ثلاثة عشر أربعة عشر خمسة عشر ستة عشر سبعة عشر ثمانية عشر تسعة عشر عشرون. In this lesson, we have looked at the numbers in Arabic from 0 to 20. The numbers from 0 to 12 do not follow a rule, so we recommend that you memorize them as they are. The numbers from 13 to 19 follow the rule of adding the ta ending to the end of the basic number followed by the word عشر.
Welcome to Numbers from 21 to 99.
In this lesson, we will learn the Arabic numbers from 21 to 99. Let's start with the 10th. These numbers have two versions. The first with the in ending and the second with the un ending, replacing the a at the end. For 20, عشرين or عشرون. For 30, ثلاثين or ثلاثون. 40, أربعين or أربعون. 50, خمسين or خمسون. 60, ستين or ستون. 70, سبعين or سبعون. 80, ثمانين or ثمانون. 90, تسعين or تسعون. Any two-digit number in Arabic between 21 and 99 is read from right to left. This means we read the number at the right first and then the one at the left, separate by wa, which means and. Let's take this example. 37 in Arabic is سبعة وثلاثين or سبعة وثلاثون. 62 is اثنين وستين or اثنين وستون. The ones digit comes first, then the tens digit with wa in between. In this lesson, we learned the numbers in Arabic from 21 to 99. The ones digit is to be said first, followed by the tens digit. The wa in between is very important. Be reminded to always insert it between both digits.